can't put that on there.
Cut. I didn't hear it.
Cut.
He was just on about the foot pegs dragging off of here every lap, wouldn't you, Sid?
Because obviously when I come round here, I would obviously just lay it down a bit for the corner. Yeah, I'm buzzing to have it back here, 100%. Like obviously I didn't ever go to the one back in 98, was it? The last, or 2000 I think. So just have it mixed up again. Obviously we're normally always at the Matterley, so to come here is just brilliant. It's great for British fans as well, definitely.
We've got a lot of British kids as well, which is
yeah,
nice.
Loads of British kids, which makes it even more enjoyable. Definitely for the fans, so it gives everyone, and our fans are good, they do cheer all our riders on, don't they?
Back on vlog life, mate.
We're back.
How have we been? I won't actually distract you, to be fair, because you are doing some hard grass.
I'm trying to do something.
You're smashing it though.
It's very rare you catch him doing anything as well, isn't it? So it's good to catch him doing something.
Always turns up on a Sunday.
How have you said that with your arms folded watching him?
He's apprenticed, isn't he? So.
How long do you reckon it would take you a used tyre off and then a new one on from start to finish? What we say?
Loose or tube?
Tube.
Tube?
Yeah.
Oh, tube a little bit longer because I want to make sure there's no pinches on that. So used to new. I'll give myself 5 minutes, steady.
I like that.
Steady.
5. What do you?
A moose?
Yeah.
3 minutes.
Pretty easy, light
yeah,
work.
Moose is easier, yeah.
Do many people run moose over tubes? Or?
Yeah, here all the top boys run mooses.
Really?
Yeah, some get away with a front tube still. It's not the end of the world, but a moose in the rear, 100%.
See, I'm only actually asking these questions for my personal gain.
Just for yourself?
Yeah, so now I'm going to be making more notes.
Moose.
Yeah.
Grab the moose. Put the money where the mouth is.
Strongest, 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 strongest.
Foxhills, yeah.
And my favorite track.
Yeah, you must have raced here. Ah, I like it. Look, maybe you should be doing the vlogs as well. I don't know.
No.
So track is awesome, even better than when we were racing. They did a really good job. So the day for us was pretty good because Ricardo was the fastest in every time free practice, time practice, and then he won the first moto. So it's good. Tires were working well. We have no problems today. So I'm really happy about it. And yeah, actually it's the second year in a row that we have two guys that they are first and second on the championship, and they are fighting in the team. Let's say they have competitors under the same tent, but that's life. So especially on this young age, I think they need to learn of it and get used to this, because that's the life, not just the motocross. So they have to be fair and try to do things better than the other neighbor or the other colleague. That's the idea. So I'm not stressed about it. I'm sorry for Moji, because Moritz, sorry, Moji is the nickname, because he deserved to be here in front of together with the other guys, because he showed that he could be there. He was quite on a big lead on the championship. So I wish him all the best for the quick recovery, and especially under 10%.
Take you also in the vlog, like one time.
What's that?
Can we take you also one time in the vlog?
You want to put me in the vlog?
Yeah.
You have to speak to Clues, mate. However, let's start with World Championship. World Champ?
Yeah, I mean, still to this day I can't believe it actually. I mean, my performance couldn't be any better. I mean, I went like qualifying 1, first Moto 1, second Moto 1, so happy.
I'm not gonna get your girlfriend in camera, but you're being way more serious big time guy now. You've got your girlfriend here. Like, it's normally you're flexing on the camera, you're doing all sorts. Take your hat off please, mate. Let me just get a little zoom on that. So what was the decision behind that?
Yeah, World Championship.
What, so you become a world champion, you got to
Yeah.
get a dodgy haircut?
Yeah, I made a bet with 3 friends, and they said like, if I win the World Championship, I have to get like the, you know, the Ronaldo line. So yeah.
What do you think about the hair?
I cut them.
You cut it? Right, so we got you to blame.
Yeah.
I don't know, mate, but I guess if you're winning, you can kind of have any haircut. Yeah, nice. What do you think of his haircut?
However,
Yeah.
it's not good, but you win.
That's what I just said. That's literally what I just said. So yeah, that's just the plan. And tomorrow, don't even have to race early either.
No, it's actually good.
No, you get
because-
lying,
yeah.
chill, chill out, watch a bit of TikTok.
Yeah, good. Happy. Today was more good the race. Yesterday, well, not so good with the feeling, but today I started a little bit bad, but then I take my rhythm and push, but I don't arrive in the front, but I'm happy and see you in the next.
Your winner is Ricardo Bauer.
Pretty decent trophy, that.
Yeah. But I think I like this one more.
Yeah?
Yeah, I'm happy to gain the red plate. Just want to stay consistent now over the season, stay healthy. So yeah, happy. Yeah, I mean, at the beginning of the season I struggled a bit because I broke my wrist in the international in Alghero. So a bit struggling the first 3 races, also mentally, you know, coming back. But now I'm getting stronger step by step. So yeah, happy.
Pretty good, isn't it, mate?
Yeah, it's great. Daniela was a bit under the weather, so great ride for her still to come out in 2nd overall. Bauer, that second race, unbelievable, wasn't it? Like 3 of them. Like I think he was 7th and went to 1st in like 2 corners.
Yeah.
And then the battle between him and Oplinger and
Townley.
yeah, that was a great ride, wasn't it? Like that's proper racing. But for him to come out on top, yeah, unreal, 1-1 as well. Our home GP, we can't ask more, can we?
The Blues boys are always busy, working hard all day,
Always busy.
all evening. Give me a
Foxhill.
short outro. Great weekend for you boys.
Great weekend. Always a good weekend when we're at the GPs, you know? We have the 125 boys, obviously Ernecker's not here, he's hurt, but
My boy.
Bauer's carrying the flag for us. He's went 1-1 this weekend, so another great showing from him. Daniela, not her best weekend, but still on the box, so we'll take that and on to the next one, so yeah.